Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere XUV 835R Gator. Gator has approximately 360 hours. It's a nice clean unit. Does have the full cab with heat and air conditioning. Has the front carrier on it here for to carry implements and attachments there. Also has the front grill guard and front hitch receiver. Front wiper there on the windshield. Does have a few scrapes on it. The top here, you've got a little bit of damage here. To the other corners have slight damage as well. Nothing major there, but it is damaged slightly. You can see this door also was scraped a little bit. Overall, nice clean unit. Again, it does have some minor blemishes on it. Certainly not perfect. It does have the power dump bed. Unit runs and works as it's supposed to. There are absolutely no known issues with the unit. Rear hitch receiver here as well. Premium wheels. Got a little bit of damage here in this corner. Again, very minor. The nice headliner in it, and again, it does have heat and air conditioning. Has tilt steering wheel. Switch here for your power dump bed. It's got the cloth seats, which are in really nice shape. We can arrange delivery here within the U.S. This is a non-titled unit. This is selling as a farm vehicle, so it is not a titled unit. We can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us at masttractor.com.